It's recording. It's recording. Say boo.
No, nigga,
Say boo. Say boo.
What? Boo
Say
for
boo.
what, nigga?
Say boo.
Oh, no, that's you, no.
What?
What the hell is this? What the hell you put it on me for? Not you, that nigga looking at me.
I don't give a fuck. Just look around the store. Come on.
You recording, right?
Yeah.
How many minutes you got to record?
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Look, we in Family Dollar right now. Look, you know. My family dollar. Alright, nigga? $1. You see that, man? That's why they call it a dollar. Oh, look at that blue shit right there. Look at them sandals. Cheap ass shit.
Nigga, I'm cold, yo. It's cold, they got no AC. They got the AC in here. That did felt good, though. Keep recording, just walking. Keep going.
You know, got the stuff to wash right there. We're gonna go to the toy stuff, alright? That's my shit.
Oh, you see little Maggie?
Where?
Right here.
Get a princess. Let's play Frisbee. Raphael, go long, Raphael. Raphael, go long.
Stop playing, yo. Why you playing here for?
Does it look like I care? Let's clean you, Raphael.
Got my shape up today. Let me see, let's play Frisbee.
Yo, let's put on the mask.
Ooh. Why?
Nigga wanna play Frisbee up in here and shit. Nigga wanna play Frisbee. Oh shit.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Wait. Which mask do you think I should buy? That one? That one?
Nah, I always wanted to be a
That one?
princess. Nah, for Halloween, my mom never let me. Nah, yo.
Yo, your brother's retarded.
That's it, let me see it now.